Welcome to YAAD TRODZ, where we trod round YAAD. Live, experience, explore, and discover Jamaica's attractions, lifestyle, and culture with me, Stacia Alicia. So today I will be sharing with you part 3, the final part of our exotic fruit farm tour in the hills of Retrieve, Westmoreland at the Rastafari Herbal Gardens. I know that you have been enjoying and learning from these farm tours because of the comments that you have been leaving. If you're not subscribed yet, what you wait upon? Subscribe, man, and click the notification bell so that you are notified whenever we upload a new episode. So now, let's get to it. YAAD TRODZ, come make we trod. In the hills of Westmoreland. Look at it. What a blessing. Gratitude is a must. Look at nature. Woo. Jump again. I could fit for them tour, for them hike, for them tag. Farm life not easy, but it is worth it. Yeah. This is stush in the bush. A real Trodz this, you know. YAAD TRODZ.
It's all a sweat.
I think I come down here one time. For me, the most fun thing is in the morning, sharpen my machete and go for a walk. And I always go where the bush is the highest. But then you never really have a farm that goes into wildness like this is. My farm usually don't look like this.
Where's the Joseph?
Joseph Court.
This is a Joseph coat. It have medicinal, well, like most herbs, they have medicinal properties. Yeah.
I used to stick them everywhere when I plant new trees because then you see colors. You know there's a tree underneath.
You know why it's called Joseph Court?
No. But it have many colors?
Yeah.
But this just have 2 colors.
No, you have different varieties.
Okay.
There's about 100 different varieties.
Oh,
of them.
100
They come
different
from
varieties.
a biblical story.
Yeah, but no, listen.
Yeah.
Not the common God, not the common.
I forgot.
Not the common
So
God.
say you're born in a church. You sorry.
Yeah, but change by I made a decision to change. These are some different kinds of Joseph coat plants. Yeah, man. This is the fat and burrow. Them say this is the one of the best forms of greens you can eat. Fat and burrow.
Better than callaloo.
Wild bush.
Yeah.
Are you eating it and
Can eat it, fat and burrow. Learning so much on the YAAD TRODZ, you know?
Which big tree this now, sorry?
Garcinia.
Oh, Garcinia. These are Garcinia, young, them green, them not mature yet.
What amazes me with this tree, This is about the third or fourth year I bear. And it only bear on this corner all the time. I never see a bear further up. I don't know why, if you don't get enough sun, because this is the sunniest area. I'm not sure. This is something I really have to investigate. But they bear more this year than last year, that's for sure. There's a lot to learn, you know. I'm planting things that I don't have no clue where they come from, what they are, how to care them. So I just had to go by spiritual guidance, try something here, try something there, and I reap a lot of fruits. Most of the trees I did get to reap, but not all. And I have the right ones.
Come make we try.
Why? It's
Because you're drop there.
But don't get drop already, you know.
Like to shut up or show off her backside.
So let's show off the mood.
Yeah, we know.
Be careful here.
That's what happened in the Troddings, you know? Everything not pretty.
This one now?
So we are approaching the what?
Mango drop. No, lemon drop.
The lemon drop mangosteen. Yeah. Me never hear about that fruit there yet, but see it here.
It's a bit in between season now, but proper is here the fruit time.
Okay, we're gonna taste it.
Sooner we
And
look
look
more
cherry.
orange.
I'm gonna fix because I'm not coming back down here.
It carries 2 seeds. Yours carries
No,
2?
one.
Man, I said, you know, bring it 20. I have 2.
Yeah, man. Nice. So the hunt and treading through the bush was worth it. Yes, it was.
It was worth it. Yes. Right
Yeah,
here.
man. Yeah, man. Wanna know about country life and climbing in and going on farm and these. Do you get tired? You know what's saying?
Lemon?
Lemon?
Yes. No. I need something thrown into palm like you paid me. But guess what? Half of my lemon in the past, I have people here and they pick them. Oh, I get lime, and they're picking the lemon before it's juicy, and then they're disappointed, and I'm disappointed. So because they thief, they disappoint themselves and they disappoint me too.
Oh.
There was a nice bearing on the tree, and some guy reap it off and garnish all of it, not leave me 2 lemon on it. Garnish it, sell it as lime, and it was not lime.
And this is the sour orange.
Yeah, this is the sour orange tree. And you see, that's a sensible tree. You have young fruit, still have mature fruit, can pick.
Yay!
See them here?
Yay!
Good people advance, Chris.
Everybody have their phone. Hi.
Let the raw boss.
Hi. Is the cocona plant. Look at this. It have spikes in the leaves. I've never seen anything like this before.
Ever.
Spikes in the leaves. We're reaping dinner.
Indian kale.
Indian kale. We have a fat
French
burrow.
thyme, fat and burrow. And I'm looking for one more, but because this is a new garden to me, I cannot find it there right now. And it might be back there. We'll soon find it. pepper, and those
Wait,
are
okra grow under the ground or? Oh,
on top.
on top.
Most green stuff is above.
Okay.
And here, we plant maybe a little too much, but we can transplant some. They don't like transplanting so much, but if you take them out with soil, it can work. A little cashew tree underneath.
Picking pepper and cashew.
You collect them.
Pick a pepper.
You have used.
Pick a pepper.
Yo, we are trod through the farm.
This one is alright.
Picking pepper.
Special here, some of them.
For dinner later.
I had an African here, Nigerian guy, and he told me they eat that over there like callaloo. And
You never hear about the Ramgoat Dashalong? See it there. I know say it have no medicinal properties. In some cayenne pepper. Yes, yes. Farm tour are going nice, you know. Kadin, you get pepper for your pot.
So you have now 3 different kinds.
Yeah.
So you have cayenne. What other type of pepper you have?
Scotch bonnet.
Okay.
Chocolate, jalap, what do they call them?
This one is what? Which one?
They have it at Hope Garden, and I get this from a friend of mine, and it's a very spectacular flowers. I mean, they literally are big like cannonball, red, green, and the black cannonballs in between. Very spectacular tree. I don't know, this is about here at least 15 years. I don't know how long it takes to live here, but hopefully one day it will.
So mini trees.
And this is a little project I did, you know, I put one plant on each rock, and they just take over. And the doctor birds love the flowers. I don't know the name of the plant, but it does very well here. There's 2 kinds. There's a green one.
Yeah, I see the green one up there.
Alright. And here, you see this stack here? I just kind of built that the other day while I was cleaning up. I found some stone.
Okay.
And this is the kind of work, you know, like, to me that's not work. That is like
Just
being creative. And that's the kind of stuff I would like to do with people who come for like a healing week or so. You know, I walk like how we do now, but do a little something while we do it. Like a little planting, a little reaping, a little caring, go back, chill out, have a good time. You know, I maybe do a walk in the morning, a walk in the afternoon. So, as you guys have a little idea what I plan to do here in the dry time, like have put a mosquito net up here, mattress here, and have tourists be able to sleep somewhere really outside. So what I plan to do they started here, backing up this, making it more level. So that is what we're gonna do with the people who come for the 1 month challenge. Everybody know this?
What fruit tree?
the governor plum.
It's cloves.
Huh?
Cloves?
No, bay leaf.
Oh.
Beautiful tree.
Oh yes, it's true.
Look how he formed the roots.
Is them use it make beer rum?
Yes. This is also sweet orange. Here I have a little problem. This is supposed to be poor man's orchids, you know?
It's supposed to be what?
Poor man's orchid.
Oh, okay, I know that.
And this is supposed to be a white one, but I've never seen it bear yet. I chop it down sometime. It kind of humbuck this tree because it blocks the sunlight. And then the redwood in the back gives me a little problem too. Yesterday we reached somewhere about further down here. So there's some interesting trees planted here that don't really bear yet. Couple nice jackfruit trees. There's black sapoti down there. And I have bale fruit. Do you ever hear of bale fruit?
No.
That one don't bear yet. Then I have abiu. You hear about abiu? That means you have to come like next year. I think it's about June, July. Very nice fruit. They also call it Brazilian star apple. But to me, it's like, you know, the star apple have one clear part in it. The abiu is all clear, and 1 or 2 seeds.
Rambuttan.
Thank you. Never seen the tree. You've seen it there, Stacia?
No, sir. No, sir, you're skilled enough. And the one that suppose it could drop down. Wow, you are skilled. Look how farmer climb thin tree.
You mean that?
You are awesome.
You're awesome.
Awesome.
For a 90-year-old man, not bad. Who called me out the other day?
Where your
Daddy?
pipe? Where your pipe? You got your shoe?
Yes.
Wow. That was good stuff.
I got injured.
Oh, that's a fear.
Nothing bad.
Ooh.
So,
They right?
I would say
Well,
this
you
one
know.
is the ripest one.
Well, you know when it right.
I don't. I picked the darkest one because I know the green ones are sure not ripe.
Right.
So
This one look
This
like it
one
would be
rare.
yeah.
this one, yeah.
Woo! It was good. So good. You need Rambuttan in your life. Right?
We're going down the gully with
What
Trodding.
fruits for you guys?
You see Trodding?
What kind of mushroom? I don't know.
One of the 10 million they have. And the growing medium is a stinking toe from last year.
Mushroom. You want it back?
Yeah, because I really want to take a picture of that one too. This is you don't need to see it like that.
Also, we don't need a picking stick for this strip.
No, because you don't have it. Oh, this seems to be a regular thing.
What is a mushroom growing on a stinking toe?
Yeah, it's the next one. So this will be like in the winter time. When you come for your piece of yam, you can try this thing.
It's liquid.
You're never gonna be famous then. Now you can take a little water too.
Yo, so there was heavy rain, so kind of have a mud path right here, so and we don't have no water boots. I don't know why we come hunting without water. Yes, so we have a bag and pan and we are live. Yo, this was a really good experience at the Rastafari Herbal Gardens. We learned a lot about fruits, herbs, plants. We did a farm tour, you know, you were privy to that farm tour, and it was just a fun experience and a wellness experience and an educational experience. Simple country life. If that is your thing, I am sure you will enjoy this experience. Yeah, man. We'll walk. We are going down to Emmanuel Road. A joke. But yeah, thanks again for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. YAAD TRODZ. Come make we trod. YAAD TRODZ. Trod with us.